Heart of the Cold War was a fundamental disagreement about how society should be organized. The United States championed capitalism, a system where individuals own property and businesses and compete for profit. In this system, the free market reigns, and success is measured by individual achievement. The Soviet Union, in contrast, advocated for communism, an ideology that emphasized equality and communal ownership. Under communism, private property is abolished and the means of production are controlled by the state. The goal is to create a classless society where everyone shares equally in the fruits of their labor. These two ideologies were diametrically opposed. The United States saw communism as a threat to individual freedom and a recipe for economic stagnation. The Soviets viewed capitalism as inherently exploitative, arguing that it created vast inequalities and condemned the working class to poverty. This clash of ideologies fueled the Cold War, shaping the policies, alliances, and actions of both superpowers. It was a battle for the very soul of the world, a struggle to determine which system would prevail and shape the future. As the dust settled after World War II, the wartime alliance between the United States and the Soviet Union began to unravel. Distrust grew and the ideological divide between them deepened. The result was the emergence of a divided Europe, separated by what Winston Churchill famously called the Iron Curtain. On one side were the Western democracies, led by the United States, who formed the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, in 1949. NATO was a military alliance, a pledge that an attack on one member would be considered an attack on all. On the other side was the Soviet Union and its satellite states in Eastern Europe, forming the Warsaw Pact in 1955. The Warsaw Pact was the Soviet response to NATO, a military alliance designed to counter Western influence. The Iron Curtain was more than just a physical